guys, it's Cactus Jones here. I'm just here on one point. I just wanted to say that there's a giveaway for a little this rank. I don't know. I'm trying to make some sound effects. That's top rank, the best rank you can get. That's like on the server, unless like a YouTube rank. Let me just say, Rank Guardian, the best rank. You can have all these kits, and I will be doing a lot more giveaways for the channel. So please do like this video, because if you do like I just wanted to say, if you have to comment your in-game name, subscribe to the channel, make sure you have like public subscriptions on, so I could see that you subscribed and that you did. And then you have to do something like, oh gosh, oh man, this is the hardest part. Subscribe, like, and what is that? Oh gosh, you have to type your in-game name in chat. Oh gosh. Well, and I will be doing a spin the wheel thing in the next episode of the faction series. I have like all my faction series episodes got like something happened in them. I'm sorry, but like I can't upload them at the moment right now. But like, just do what I said, and you can have a chance to win the Rank Guardian. I'll be making more videos of like G-Kits giveaways and other ranks, like rank gold, like those ranks. They don't come easy. And maybe some August crates and all that crap just for you guys. Some guide, like books, sets, XP, all those giveaways. And that's how it's gonna go. So please, I hope you like this video. And why is the axe like sticking through my hand? I don't care. But have a good day.